All right, we're here in a residential home. Doing some porcelain tile and grout cleaning. So we just did a roto wash machine scrub. This is pretty bad, the grout. It's still real dark just because the grout's wet. So we're drying it with air movers. You can see the difference between the grout here with the air movers. See how nice and white that is. That's dry. As you go over here, this is still wet, this grout. It's not dirty or soiled. So we went over to roto wash and did everything by hand in the corners. It's about maybe 650 square feet tile and grout. So now we're coming over with spinner clean. This will clean it, rinse it with high power pressure water, and then we're mopping everything. So it's a 3-step tile and grout clean, and then we're going to put the sealer impregnator on it. So if you need anything done or hard and soft surfaces, duct cleaning, we do marble, commercial, residential. Please feel free. Reach out to us, www.mazecleaning.com or 610-405-2147. Give us a call. Let us clean and restore all your hard and soft surfaces and save you a lot of money so you don't have to replace it.